In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Brevo with Gsuite. To get started, you will need to access your Brevo workspace. First, log into your Brevo account. As you do this, make sure you are using the correct login that has access to your settings, because the connection process happens inside your account configuration. Once you are logged in, you will want to open the area where Brevo stores your preferences. Click your profile icon, which is usually located in the top corner of the screen. This step matters because it takes you into the menu that includes your account and inbox settings. Next, select Settings. In many interfaces, settings will be grouped with account options, so look for the gear or the label that says Settings. Taking a moment here to confirm you are in the right section helps prevent you from connecting the mailbox from the wrong page. Now inside Settings, click Inbox. This is the part of Brevo where email-related features and mailbox integrations are managed. You are going there because the connection you are about to set up is specifically tied to your inbox configuration. After you are in Inbox, click Email. This brings you to the email integration tools. At this stage, you are getting close to the actual connection, but you still need to start the mailbox linking process from within the email section. Now click Connect to Mailbox. When you see this option, it indicates that Brevo is ready to connect to an email provider. For this tutorial, you will be choosing Google Workspace, so choose Connect to Mailbox first, rather than trying to add anything manually. Next, select the Google tile. This tells Brevo that you want to connect using Google Workspace. On the screen, you should see a choice for Google. Click that tile so the authorization flow can begin. Now click Continue and follow the prompts to authorize your Google Workspace account. This is the step where Google confirms that Brevo is allowed to access the mailbox services needed for the integration. During the authorization prompts, you may be asked to sign into your Google account or confirm permissions. Pay attention to what Google is asking you to allow, and make sure you are authorizing the correct Google Workspace account, especially if multiple accounts are signed in on your device. As you follow the prompts, keep the Brevo page open so the connection can complete. After authorization, Brevo will typically return you to the setup screen and finish linking the mailbox. If you see a confirmation message or a connected status, that means the integration has been established. After the connection is complete, take a quick moment to verify that Brevo now recognizes the mailbox or shows it as connected within the inbox email settings. This verification step helps you confirm that everything is working correctly before you move on to sending or receiving email through Brevo. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.